So welcome, here I am in Dover, and I'm here to do a stealth camp at the White Cliffs of Dover. It's not too bad, this is it, stealth camping on the White Cliffs of Dover, fish and chips, and then an afternoon tea in this beautiful lighthouse. Let's try this sometime. So it's mid-afternoon now, as you can see, absolutely scorching day. So many people around. But as a stealth camper, I'm just thinking about in a couple of hours they'll all be going home and it will all be mine overnight. All the day trippers, like the real day trippers, they'll go home and I'll be left here to enjoy the whole thing and to find the best stealth camp on the White Cliffs somewhere. And this is a beautiful stretch here of the White Cliffs. And this is the sort of area I sort of hope to get to. So I'm looking to stake out a place somewhere around here. Just going to take a bit of a break, I think, and get a bit of sunshine. It's a sheer drop down here. So this is it. This is my stealthy spot. Sea view. On top of the White Cliffs, I'm sort of in between Dover and Deal. I'm still on the White Cliffs of Dover, and it's beautiful countryside all around. It's the most private spot I've seen, near the footpath, but as time goes on there'll be less and less people. I've got the bench, so I can use that for, I think I put the bivvy on this side of the bench so I don't roll over the cliff, because the cliff is, as you know, sheer, what, 500 feet or more, 700 feet, 250 meters, something like that. It's a long way down anyway, and that's the cliff edge right there. So I'm going to put the bivvy down here, get my chair set up, and just enjoy a beautiful evening. I think got lots of time, so I'm just going to chill. It's either a Spitfire or a Lancaster bomber from the Second World War. Hopefully tonight I can show you the lights from France. I'm surely you'll be able to see some lights over on the coast. I hope you can see that on this camera. But that'll be interesting to see it all lit up tonight, and we can see France across the English Channel. So the shadows are starting to lengthen now. It's much more comfortable now because it was quite warm actually, and sitting there in the sun, as you can imagine. But now we approach that beautiful time of the day, sunset, and it's just ideal. There's no wind. It's a still night. Lovely spot here, right on the edge of the cliff. And on the other side there in France, that is Calais, you can see. And if you go to the left, further down to the left, not sure if we can really see it, but that would be Dunkirk. I can't remember when it's ever been so clear as this to get these views, so it's exactly as I'd hoped. The sea is very calm. It's a perfect night for a stealth camp. Yes, so today I wanted to get out and do some miles, so I've walked a little bit out of Dover, and again I'm trying to get ready for the coast to coast, part 4 and beyond. So you'll be pleased to hear that I found a friend who's willing to do the next parts with me, and he's going to continue for a few days. We're just going to see how it goes. So that's all planned for in a few weeks' time. And then we're going back to Lake District. I'll have 9 days, so I don't know how far I'm going to get, but again I'm going to take it one day at a time and see what the weather brings. But I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be good doing it with company as well. I think that's probably wise, don't you, after what happened last time? So I'm just preparing for that, so I've got to get fit again, because I haven't done much hiking the last 3 weeks or so really, and I need to get the backpack on and get ready again to hit the trail. It's all about preparation, isn't it? So today was another one of these preparation type camps. Well, as I sit here, I'm enjoying the evening. I'm still not very hungry, and it's just crossed my mind, why don't I just go home? I mean, I've had a lovely day. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk into Deal, and then I'm going to head back. The reason is, it's lovely here, but I'm quite happy to go home, to be honest now. Anyway, I've showed you this is a potential stealth camp. There'll be no issue me camping here. I could just camp here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack this up, and I'm going to head home. And so it's almost a stealth camp on the White Cliffs of Dover. Got some lovely shots. Had a lovely walk. And I've still got probably 4 miles to walk now into Deal, which would be really nice. And I'll film that. That'll be nice to walk there in the evening. Deadly drop. I'm not getting any closer, but look at that. Look at those cliffs. It's absolutely beautiful here. Who knows, I might come and camp again here some other night. And I'll see France some other time. So there's the sort of setting sun. And yeah, I'm heading out. It is a lovely night. I've really enjoyed myself here. I really enjoyed being here. Lovely views, lovely night, like what I said. But I'm going home. So, surprise, but I just feel that's what I should do tonight. Actually, I'm really looking forward to the walk. For me, the camping is often about the hiking. And if I get somewhere too early, it just seems like a lot of time doing not much. So I'd rather keep walking, to be perfectly honest, than just sit here for hours and hours. So I'm heading out of here. The other thing is, I like being flexible and I like adapting and changing, not just doing the same old thing. It's going to be a lovely walk. It's quite far still to get to Deal and get the train from there. Straight ahead you can see the destination, Deal Pier. So the first reason I bailed is because I just didn't feel ready just to lie down there for hours on end. I feel like I want to keep walking, I want to keep exploring. I'm not ready just to get in a bivvy bag yet, or just sit there. So I want to keep walking. I really like hiking, I like walking. So I want to do a few more miles first. Who knows what's going to happen tonight, but I wasn't ready just to settle down there. Partly because I wasn't hungry either. I mean, that's my own fault because I've eaten so much today already. I can't complain, can I? And the second reason why I bailed was, it suddenly came to my mind. I asked myself the question, why am I camping here tonight? I don't really need to camp here tonight. And then the question was, am I camping here tonight just for YouTube? And I can honestly say I haven't done my camps just for YouTube. I mean, my camps I've done, I've really enjoyed them, and I've enjoyed them because they were like fresh, they were new, and there's an element of new challenge with doing it. It was like, would I be able to survive the night? But now I'm not a complete newbie anymore, and it's like, well, I know anything can happen, but I'm pretty confident I'm going to survive the night. It's not such a huge challenge as it was for me to do a stealth camp like that. Anyway, just some thoughts. Have you ever felt like that? If you got if you do YouTube, do you do your camps just for your video? Because I don't do my camps just for the video. Obviously I enjoy making the videos, but I do them for all sorts of reasons, but a lot of it is new experiences, adventure, and to share it so that other people can maybe get inspired. So maybe I'm a bit selfish on this one, and I'm not saying that I'm not doing any more videos. I'm just saying that it just came over me in that moment. Why am I camping here tonight? The fourth reason I bailed is I've got some things to do early tomorrow. I've got some people I want to see, and I'm going to somebody's house for lunch. So I'd rather get back so I'm not tired tomorrow. The next reason was, I suppose sometimes you're just not really feeling it in the moment. Call it intuition or whatever. Just didn't feel that good about it. Wasn't really worried about it, but I just felt, why don't I go home? And the final reason, of course, was the one that sealed the deal was I want to see if Ronnie O'Sullivan and Judd Trump get through to the final of the World Snooker Championships. So forgive me if that doesn't make sense, but sometimes you just got to do what you've got to do. Okay, so it's almost going dark now. I'm coming into Deal, get back to the station and heading home. Thanks so much again for watching this one, slightly different. Why did I bail? The White Cliffs of Dover Stealth Camp. Maybe I'll return again and do it properly next time. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Still been an adventure, still been a lovely day out. And thanks again, leave a comment, like it if you liked it. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.